Selling on Etsy but want your own Shopify store? Let me show you how to import your Etsy products into Shopify with just a few simple clicks. If you already have products listed on Etsy and you don't want to re-upload everything manually, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to easily move all your Etsy products into Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you need an active Shopify store. If you don't have one yet, just simply go to shopify.com, create your free account, complete the basic setup like store name, currency, and payment settings. Once your Shopify dashboard is ready, it will look something like this. From the apps section, we will install an app called Store Importer. This will help us simplify the process of exporting all our products from Etsy and importing it into Shopify. Now let's head back to Etsy and log in. Go to Settings and click the Shop options. From the Shop options, we will click Download Data, which will download a CSV files for all our products. We click the Download CSV button and this will download all the products. Coming back to Shopify, we will upload the downloaded file into the Store Importer. We can drag and drop or we can browse it from our PC. Once all the files are uploaded, we will simply click and check all the related item information that is provided to us by this app. Once we confirm everything, we will click on Continue Import. Shopify will now start the import process, and depending on the number of products, in my case I had 25, it will not take that much time. So once the products are imported, it will confirm us and we will be given a confirmation message from Shopify. So that is it for this video. You have seen how easy it is to import your products from Etsy into Shopify using this app. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more step-by-step guidelines like this. If you have any questions or you get stuck at any point, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.